Hello everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of the CreditBee family over the last 3 years. As we begin 2021 and step into a new decade, let us look back at our journey so far. We have over 2.5 crore registered customers, 35 lakh plus customers who have availed loans with us, and the number of active loans stands at 12 lakh plus. However, while our focus was on promoting financial inclusion in India, we were also responsible while at it. Let us show you how. We are backed by an NBFC registered with the RBI, CrazyBee Services Private Limited. The tenure of disbursement ranges from 62 days to 15 months, aligning with the RBI regulations and the Google Play Store policy. We mention all the details regarding the loan ticket size, tenure, and interest rate very clearly on our website and Google Play Store listing. We approve and disperse loans to our consumers only after a thorough KYC process which aligns with the regulatory norms. We pay utmost importance to data security, storage, and localization, with all the user permitted data stored in Indian servers only. One of the big 4 accounting firms has audited this. The KYC information and credit analysis data is not visible to any of our manual telecalling agents. We provide all the essential loan-specific information such as the loan sanction letter, loan agreement, and loan repayment schedule to our consumers during the loan application process in clear and succinct terms. We promptly identify all consumer issues and take appropriate actions for the same. We also maintain a logbook as a record for all such matters. Our collections team strictly follows the calling hours of 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Our legal counsel vets all communication made to the consumers and continuously monitors and audits the same. We have an active consumer grievance cell and voice of consumer department with over 60 active members. They are continually working to ensure proper resolution to customer queries and grievances.